Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very good brand to introduce to you guys, which is the Upakarma Ayurveda. Now I have received the Badam Rogan Sweet Almond Oil 100 ml premium quality, and I have received the Kesar Mega Pack 2 grams premium quality as well. Upakarma is the fastest growing Ayurveda brand in India. These are toxic free, chemical free, safe, pure and natural. These products are cruelty free, not tested on animals, no ingredients of animal origin, and they are vegan, and all the information is there. Kesar, it purifies blood, improves heart health, elevates mood, strengthens muscles and bones, enhances complexion, which everybody knows in India. They say when you're pregnant, जो pregnant lady है, you can give her kesar दूध में डाल के ताकि बच्चा गोरा गोरा हो. These are premium, finest and best quality Ayurveda based products in India. Look at this, such a tiny, because kesar is one of the expensive things in the world. So I was saying the company is ISO approved. Yeah, they are certified, and the products are manufactured in GMP certified manufacturing units. Now GMP certified manufacturing unit means good manufacturing practice. That means all the safety measures and cleanliness and all is taken in that. Now, as you know, kesar can be taken in milk. उसकी चाय, केसर वाली चाय बहुत फेमस है. बिरयानीज, पुलाव, and even you can add this in your face packs. Yes guys, kesar is very good for your skin, for your overall health. If you add this, I have few things which I'll be showing you किसमें आप इसको कर सकते हो. I have a small demo and you have to see it. So this is something that you should definitely go for, because it's something made in India, and it is the finest A++ quality. That is the best quality you can get. When you put this in milk and you give your child or in your family, yourself, everyone, it helps to boost immunity. This is what we need right now. तो आप इसको आराम से दूध में डाल के बना सकते हो. You can see these strands. The color is so bright, and oh wow, the smell is amazing, guys. The smell is really pure, and I'm definitely gonna use this for Sahib. I'm gonna give you 2 face pack in which you can use केसर. आप केसर लीजिए, थोड़ा सा रोज वाटर डालिए और उसमें डालिए दूध, और उसको आप पूरे अपने फेस पे मसाज कीजिए. इससे आपके एक्नेस पे असर होगा. देन यू विल हैव अ ग्लोइंग स्किन एंड योर स्किन विल शाइन throughout. Do check their website for more detail. Now talking about Upakarma's Badam Rogan. Now Badam Rogan एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो इंडिया में आयुर्वेदा में बहुत ही अच्छा माना जाता है ओवरऑल हेल्थ के लिए. बाल हो, स्किन हो, अंदर इम्यूनिटी के लिए, बच्चों के मसाज के लिए. व्हेन अ बेबी इज स्मॉल, जब हम बच्चों को मसाज करते हैं, वी डेफिनेटली यूज आलमंड ऑयल. देयर आर मेनी ऑप्शंस, बट दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. तो बादाम रोगन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो improves brain health. इसको आप कंज्यूम भी कर सकते हो. बादाम रोगन इज 100% नेचुरल, नथिंग इज एडेड, सो यू कैन कंज्यूम इट. इसको सरफेस पे इसकी मसाज कर सकते हो. टेक योर ऑयल, एड फ्यू इतना आप ये मिक्स करो, इतना आप दूसरा वर्जिन कोकोनट ऑयल मिक्स करो, एंड यू कैन यूज इट ऑन योर हेड फॉर योर हेड मसाज, which will give you amazing results for your hair, for the texture. Then it also strengthens your nervous system from inside, which is amazing. It softens and nourishes your skin. बादाम अगर आप स्किन पे यूज करो, if you have a dry skin, it is very good for you. You can, अगर आपकी स्किन ड्राई है, कॉम्बिनेशन है, कुछ भी है, what you can do is you can take your moisturizer. So this is how the bottle looks. So you have to add 2 drops of badam rogan with the help of this dropper which comes along with this. और आप अपने वो मॉइस्चराइजर को फेस पे लगाइए, और मॉइस्चराइजर will benefits will increase double and triple by twice. So yes, this is an amazing product. So this is how the packaging is. Look at this, packaging is amazing. It is pure almond oil, and when you open it up, it has a cap to secure it. And आपको ये cap निकालनी है, and the oil is like it's pure almond. Look at this oil, okay? ये इतना प्योर ऑयल है कि आप इससे कंज्यूम भी कर सकते हो. इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर स्किन. यू टेक फाइन शुगर, आप उसमें ये ऑयल डालिए, ये नेचुरल स्क्रब बन जाएगा फॉर योर फेस, विच इज़ अमेजिंग. दिस मेक्स योर स्किन सॉफ्ट and on a very regular usage it will definitely give you a glowing and perfect skin. So guys, if you're looking for some good almond oil, a pure and a good quality, go for Upakarma because this is really good. ऐसा करो, ऐसा. So I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Do like, comment and share this video so that everybody can benefit. Till then, you be happy and you be stylish. Bye.